Having an '05 F150 4.6 liter, and I have a code P1299, which is the cylinder head temperature sensor. And I'm doing this video to share the location for the sensor. First thing, you gotta have to move the intake boot right here, which is the 8mm bolt, and this clip right here, you just untie it, and the MAF sensor socket. And after you remove this, actually it's better to have some room to remove the thermostat thermostat hose. Get a two 10mm bolts. It's a very long bolt right there. And then you're gonna have to move the alternator. It's better to disconnect the battery also. And it's a 10mm bolt. Just untied it, you don't have to take it out. And the top two 10mm bolt right there, and just about it aside. Sorry, the first you have to take this bolt off, and then the the sensor that will be in here. So you take this one off, like if you see the clip face the engine from inside, the other side like that, so you cannot put your finger to move it. And I just remove it with this plier right there, and you just hold it from here in this side, and this one unclipped it like that, and just pull it out. And the sensor is right here. You can see it have some corrosion, and I'm going to take it out with this gear wrench. This is a very good tool. You gotta have to have it in your toolbox. Make it very easy to move it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please share and like and subscribe for more videos.